So all these works are from my art center in a small village called Ichol near Maihar, Madhya Pradesh. And like what you see, the cows are done by a local farmer. He's been training in our center for the last 8 years. And even the flowers and the other artists are all local. They're local from, they've studied in BHU, but they've been with me for 8 years. And they work in that village, they work in the residency. And well, their work is kind of developing slowly. They're finding an identity and they work a lot. They experiment a lot with textures and different kinds of clay.
You see, this is glaze. This is the basic. This is what we call biscuit. You see, the first firing is biscuit. And after the biscuit, you put different glazes. So when you're making an art piece like this, you leave this. You put a little, because this is the joints. You see, when you put your finger, you can make out if the glaze is before or the glaze is after. Very interesting. And see, this is studio pottery. There are two types of potters. One is a studio potter and one is a traditional potter. Traditional potter makes your little lamps and diyad, and the studio potter makes whatever comes into his head. He's an artist.
So I started the initiative basically to support ceramic artists. And these local boys, they came to the center saying कि हमको कला का शौक है. तो I said कला का शौक है तो आप आओ, आप काम करो यहाँ पे. And since then they've been working.
So I am the curator of the shop as well as the gallery that we are doing show right now. The show is about ceramics and porcelain part of it. We have selected 3 artists, namely Ravi, Milan, and Uday. One is this is work a cross between stoneware and porcelain, which is a very technical art form. So Milan has used this flower form extend to coral actually. It's the coral, the reef, the coral reef that has been turned into flower. That's how you get into it. And the other one is by Uday. Uday, he do mostly a figurine of a bull, a cow, which is Nandi in a way for Indian gods and goddesses. And the other one is Ravi. So if you see these pots, everything is of one of a kind. So it's not a mass product kind of functioning art form. It will be a functioning art form because it's a potter that you can actually use for anything, any liquid, I would say.
This doesn't matter. Even the slight cracks and all this doesn't matter. That's all in firing. To fire such a big animal is not easy. And this is after that. After they fire it, then they dribble the, like you ice a cake. They dribble that all over. And it has a nice effect.
Art in Chol is a foundation that has been started by Ambika. And I have known her for at least 6-7 years. And then when she had started her gallery in Madhya Pradesh, which is MP, what I like about her is that she doesn't choose an artist from all those big artist institution, but instead he got it from the areas, the farmers, the people who do labors. They come in and she actually train them and give them the liberty to express what they want to do. So you can see actually the uniqueness of this piece, this. So yeah, I love her way of selecting and training the people.
So I've been dealing with art and artists for the last 36 years. And the process suddenly interested me, and I opened the center where we not only have a ceramic studio, we have bronze studio, we have stone sculpting, we have a graphic studio, metal casting, everything. So the whole process is now of interest, and we've created a sculpture garden over there.